We're here at 2204 Night Parrot Avenue. There's your street view. Let's take a look inside. This is a 2-bedroom. It's 1,570 square feet. Here's your entryway. Off to the right, there's a closet, a bathroom, full bath, and a bedroom. You do have your ceiling fan in here and some closet space. Off to the left from the entry is your laundry room with garage door access. You can use this space as office or so many options. Here we are at your kitchen. We've got stainless steel appliances, except for the microwave. Here's our pantry. And as we come down this hall, we find the primary bedroom. Great shutters in here. Decorative ceiling fan. And here's the primary bathroom with double vanities. It's got your toilet room right here. And a very large walk-in closet. Plenty of space in there. Let's take a look at your backyard space. So this one does not have a private backyard. It's not fully gated. But you do have the covered patio out here. Beautiful view of the golf course. Looks like maybe some repair work was being done here. All right. Well, let me know what you think.